हाय व्यूवर, वेलकम टू यूट्यूब चैनल। आई एम हारिस खान। सो फाइनली आज के इस लेक्चर में इसको थोड़ा अच्छा स्टाइल वगैरह देते हैं। तो लेट्स कम टू द काउंटर ऐप हेयर। इन दिस लेक्चर वी विल सी, यहाँ पर इनलाइन स्टाइल देता हूँ ताकि आप लोगों को इनलाइन स्टाइल भी क्लियर हो जाए। उसके लिए हम डबल कर्ली ब्रैकेट्स का यूज़ करते हैं। तो मैं इसका फॉर एग्जांपल जो है क्या करता हूँ, फ़ॉन्ट साइज़ को इंक्रीज़ करता हूँ। सो आई विल राइट फ़ॉन्ट साइज़। इसका फ़ॉन्ट साइज़ फॉर एग्जांपल मैं 25 करता हूँ एंड लेट्स सी द रिज़ल्ट। एंड फ़ॉन्ट साइज़ 25 करता हूँ, रिज़ल्ट देखते हैं। नो नीड फॉर द comma. Let's come to the browser and refresh. It's refreshing. Nothing happened. So let's see what typo we made. Oh shit, size, I have made a typo, mean a spelling mistake over here. So app is refreshing, you will see the effect. Yes, it has been, you can see. So it should need to be bold, so for that we write font weight as we wrote in the in the CSS. So that should be bold, so that bold should be inside this font weight bold. So let's make it a color should be for now let's yellow. Control S and let's come over here. Font weight has been applied because we have clicked on Control S, and now the color will be applied. Let's make the background color first because the white is not looking good over here. So here is the background color with us. So can we make it to purple? Purple. Control S. This is the entire container which has taken the entire space, that is plex 1. Okay, let's make it refresh. Nothing happened. Oh shit, I have make another typo. It should be purple, not purple. Sorry for that, guys. Okay, it has been applied, but you should only consider these places because it will be like this in our app if we see the version. So it's actually applied to the whole browser, but we have only this place. You can see the arrow. Let wait. Here I can took of white color. Yes, this thing. This is the area of our app, you can see. So you can ignore this area as well as this area, you can ignore them. So this will be our area. So hope you are getting me what I mean. So it has been displayed, looks not that much good but good. Let's apply some style to this as well, to the zero as well. So what we can see, what we can do, we can apply it a style. Let's make it a style, not inline style, that let's apply external internal style. So style dot मैं name देता हूँ इसे text, that will be defined by me later. Now I haven't defined it yet, so that would be text equal to, और इसमें भी ये सब कुछ मैं यहाँ पर कंट्रोल सी कर सकता हूँ. आई कैन कंट्रोल सी and here we go control V to all of them and make them in a 2 line 3 line. Okay, the color should not be yellow, it should need to be white right now because the white will suit good. The font should need to be same, and I think the size should need to be 30, that it look much better. So Control S and come to the browser and see the result after refresh. So it has been refreshed. Okay, Now we have to little bit push this plus and negative button down. So for that we can let's see, here is the margin top, that should be to, let's 150. It should need to be 2 down. So let's make it refresh and see the result. You will see that it will be pushed right down now. What do you think that? So can we increase the size little bit more? We can. I think the buttons are quite good, but this style should need to be 40. And as well as what we can do with it, you can change the background color as you want. I think Control S, and let's see, it's looking much good now. The counter app, the zero should need to be, oh my goodness, if we click, so it's incrementing. We can also put this text, let's make it a border of for example 1 pixel solid black. Let's see it's working or not. It will not work, I think so, because it's a little bit difference in the React and React Native. So what we can do with this counter app, nothing more need, but the one thing we can see that the buttons are looking much smaller, so we can increase it, sorry, we can enlarge it by writing here. I think let's write it right here, medium, and see the result. So it's refreshing. Oh, that's cool, that's really cool. So I think the medium would be fine. So let's write here as well as medium instead of small, and by writing medium these two buttons needs to be merged with each other. So what we can do here, we can increase the margin top to 100 for example, and here sorry, really sorry, that should be here, margin right 100, and this one is, I think, make it 60, and let's see the result, how it will look then. Wow, that's good, but I think this should need to be 100, or we can say this should need to be 90, and this will also be 90, so it will be little bit good, although there will be space, but it seems good to be space over there. So hope you understood how to make these things. So it is a good apps which increment as well as decrement. So we can also put this 7 inside this pop button type of view. Let's make this. So guys, do this in the next lecture because this lecture is getting long. So we'll meet in the next. Till that, ijazat dijiye, Allah Hafiz.